Hi everyone, I haven't posted anything for a while and I was asked how come, so I thought, hey, let me grab and post something this weekend. So here we go. Recently I've been following a YouTuber called Theoretically Media, and the guy's name is Tim, and he just recently covered a video clip on what's called FaceFusion 3.0. I was checking out going, oh wow, that is really cool. So since I follow a lot of the trends on AI and how things are progressing, I thought, hey, let me do a YouTube video clip on that. So with that said, let me go ahead and shrink this down. All right, so Fusion or FaceFusion 3.0 is free. So again, perks to that. You can go ahead and just Google it. You can Bing it. It's free software. You can download it, and then once it's downloaded, then you can go ahead and do your manipulations. So here I have Face Swapper. It also does other things like age modifier, face editor, face enhancer. What you do is you have a target audience, and then you have a source image. So I took a picture of myself and I uploaded it. Now I wanted a picture where I wasn't really showing my teeth. A lot of times when I smile, I'm showing my teeth, and this is just a still shot of me smiling, but no teeth. And then you find a video clip. For me, I was thinking, gosh, epic, right? Darth Vader unmasking. So I went on YouTube, did a quick search, found tons of video clips on the Darth Vader unmasking, and thought, perfect, let me use that. On that note then, I went ahead and uploaded it. Now remember, you don't want to have a super big file because when it's rendering, it takes time. So keep the smaller file sizes, or else it can take a long time. In this case, I have my picture here of my face. I uploaded my target video clip then just from YouTube. I went ahead and selected some of the basic like face swapper, right? And then I have my reference page, the original picture of what Vader looked like down here in the reference face portion. Then I went ahead and, well, you can kind of see in the top right hand corner, right? There's my face. You can kind of see my mustache and everything. And I hit render. So this was like a screenshot I took last night at around 11:32 p.m. Let's see, I should have the little video clip and I'll show it to you so you guys can kind of see how it came out. So this is my face swap first attempt. Let's jump over here. Let's turn this down. And again, what's really cool is this is a picture, right? But you're actually going to see, right, movement. So here he's taking off the mask, and as he takes off the mask, you can kind of see, right, the original clip, and then boom, right, there's my face. Let's go forward just a little bit. And now again, see how my eyes are moving a little bit, and when he talks, right, I kind of look down just a hair there, right? So it's actually got the sound and the clip as well. So it mimics it. So it's actually really, really cool. Now, again, right, you can kind of see my mustache. You can kind of see my beard at the end. So I was like, well, how do I improve that? And that has to do with the settings. So if you play and toy with the settings, you can actually trim your source picture. So I went ahead and set up the trim section, and then I went ahead and went to sleep, hit render again, and this is my second clip. Now, what's unique about my second clip, though, is I thought, gosh, let me go ahead, since Luke is supposed to be, right, the son of Vader, and I thought, let me face swap both people. So here, here I have a picture of Luke then, right, with my eyes, and I have it, right, no mustache, no beard, okay? So I have just a portion of it doing the source file. And then if I forward it again, right, I take off the face, and we'll turn this down, and then there, right, you can see, okay, here's my face over Luke, And then you have, there's my face on Vader. Now again, right, no mustache, no beard. So it was actually pretty cool. And, right, and again, still photo. Super impressed, still photo. But, right, you can see the cheeks moving. You can see everything moving. So it was just like, wow. I was just blown away at, you know, this technology that's coming out. And this is free. So this FaceFusion 3.0 is completely free. So it's just kind of like, it's pretty incredible what they have coming out via AI. Let's see, let me come back to my camera view here. Make sure you guys can see me clearly. So again, FaceFusion 3.0, definitely get your parents' permission before you download it. There are steps to go through on how to download it and install it. Again, it is free. It is something that, like with any new technology, you want to be, you know, be smart about it. We always say be smart, be safe. Make sure you don't use it for, you know, bad things at all. I liked how in Tim, even in his video clips, he says, you know, don't do it for evil. Don't use it for evil or bad things, right? Because it's that whole, it's great to learn and implement and play with it and such, but you always want to be smart and be safe about it. All right, well, that's it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I'll be making and playing with some more clips. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.